Hello. So only recently I got this package of books because I bought a lot of books online. Not necessarily na brand new naman sila lahat. So I came across to several Facebook page na nag-offer din ng mga second-hand books. So I communicated with them and they communicated back, and I got several books na napili ko doon sa collection na meron sila. So the first book that I got is In Quest of the Hero. So ito yung first book na napili ko doon sa collection. This is the second-hand book na nakita ko sa isang page sa Facebook. I communicated to them and yeah, I got this copy. And this book talks about mythology and psychology. Kasi syempre pag pinag-usapan naman talaga yung topic of hero, in our own understanding, somehow a fiction, it's not true, it's not supported by facts. But this book, there's a connection on how can we appreciate the story of a hero, not the hero with superpowers, but our capability to withstand the suffering, pain, to carry the responsibility, and to be at service to other people. And I think that's the message of this book. But yeah, I wouldn't want to preempt. I wouldn't want to preempt the idea inside the book kasi hindi ko pa naman siya nababasa, so tayo natin siyang matapos. And the second book is The Basic Writings of Immanuel Kant. Last year, I taught about the subject of ethics to the university, and I find it interesting and fascinating, especially when you dig deeper to the idea of Immanuel Kant. So talagang parang kakaiba yung kanyang message, kakaiba yung atake niya pagdating sa right and wrong, good and evil. Medyo talagang kung merong superior level na tinatawag, parang yung idea ng goodness na sinet ni Immanuel Kant, parang ito na yung pinakamataas na goodness na pwedeng ma-achieve ng isang tao. So yeah, if you are interested to philosophy, to the idea of right and wrong, to the idea of reason, to the idea of duty, to the idea of good and evil, Immanuel Kant is the best treat for you. Okay? The third book is entitled Seven Pillars of Wisdom by T.E. Lawrence. So ito siya. I bought this book brand new, to a fully book. So nung nag-sale sila, nakita ko to, so I immediately bought it. And interesting siya kasi lagi siyang nasa site sa ibang mga books, kagaya ng book ni Robert Greene na 48 Laws of Power, 33 Strategies of War. So nandun siya, na-mention siya, kaya parang it made me curious kung ano ba yung meron doon sa book na sinulat ni T.E. Lawrence entitled Seven Pillars of Wisdom. So it's some sort of autobiography. Kasi si T.E. Lawrence is a soldier in Middle East during World War I. So parang dinidiscuss dito kung paano siya nag-cope up dun sa environment, paano siya nakipag-communicate sa mga tao despite the language barrier na meron, and yeah, the human nature per se. So parang meron ding idea kung paano maintindihan yung human nature, and syempre divided into seven categories or pillars of wisdom yung book. So I'm also excited to read it. Medyo makapal nga lang, and I hope I can do justice by finishing it sooner, so that I can create a new content, especially to this book, right? And the next book is the book entitled The Mind's Eye by Oliver Sacks. So ito siya. Okay. So parang the writings of Oliver Sacks is all about the idea of psychology, the brain problem, the behavioral patterns, the neurological problems. So parang yun yung nagiging topic ng kanyang mga libro, kaya interesting siya. Kasi dito sa Minds ay parang pinag-uusapan dito, how can you deal with those people na merong na walang capacity to recognize faces, or hindi nila ma-determine yung three-dimensional space, or wala silang capacity to read, or hindi sila nakakakita. So Parang yun yung pinag-uusapan dito sa Mind's Eye na to, and I think it's worth checking. And the other book, once again written by Oliver Sacks, is The Awakenings. I think mayroong TV documentary to sa YouTube. You can check it online para makita nyo yung overview. Pero I decided copy para mas maintindihan ko siya and mabalik-balikan ko. Other than watching the TV documentary. So if you are not into book, you can go to a TV documentary para isang upuan lang matapos mo na siya. Pero pag mga ganitong libro, parang mahirap gawin siya ng isang upuan. Pero at least you can absorb it more deeply. No? Pag daladala mo siya, you can carry it everywhere and you can annotate the book. And yeah, it somehow help you navigate and understand those people that suffering from various disorders. The other book, this is one of the rare books that I acquired, that I bought online kasi hindi ko na siya makita sa iba't ibang mga bookstore like National Bookstore, Central Books, Fully Book, ano pa ba, mga bookstore, book sale. So yun yung mga pinupuntahan ko na bookstore, pero hindi ko na siya makita kasi this book, The Individual Psychology of Alfred Adler. So ayun siya, no? So any book written by the classic authors like Sigmund Freud, Carl Jung, Carl Rogers, B.F. Skinner, Alfred Adler, Otto Rank. So parang sila na talaga yung, talagang foundation. William James, sila yung big names pag pinag-usapan yung topic na psychology. So this is a second-hand book na nakita ko rin dun sa isang Facebook page. I messaged them that I want to buy the book, and immediately they communicated back, and yeah, I got this book right now, and I hope mabasa ko rin siya. Medyo marami tong nakalinya sa atin na para sana matapos natin basahin and maisingit natin sa mga ginagawa natin daily. The last book, the last but not the least, is the non-fiction books or the fiction, no? So medyo maraming pagkakataon na ako naka-encounter ko tong author na to. Kaya lang hindi ako bumibili ng libro niya kasi parang siyempre there's a danger, especially if you're embracing a new idea, studying a new idea, there's a danger that it might alter your current perspective to life. Pero naisip ko na sige, it's worth checking naman kung sino ba talaga yung author na to at ano yung message niya. So this author is one of the authors within the topic of existentialism. So existentialism, I think one of the big names inside this philosophy is Dostoevsky, Camus, and the other one is Franz Kafka. So The Metamorphosis and Other Essays. So I got this copy from Fully Book, and syempre nakikita ko rin siyang sinasite doon sa ibang mga libro na binasa ko. So when I saw this book at Fully Book, I immediately bought it, and yeah, here it is right now. So yeah, this are the books that I got online, and The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, The Individual Psychology of Alfred Adler, The Awakenings by Oliver Sacks, The Mind's Eye by Oliver Sacks, Seven Pillars of Wisdom by T.E. Lawrence, and Basic Writings of Immanuel Kant, and lastly, In Quest of the Hero, collection of essays about mythology in relation to psychology. So, sana matapos ko silang lahat, and may mga nakalinya pa tayo na ibang babasahin. So, sige, tingnan natin kung makakapag-create ulit tayo ng video when I finished the book, so that I can share and impart the lessons and the message of this book. And I hope na na-inspire kayo, or somehow baka naisip nyo na pwede rin naman pala akong magbasa ng mga libro. So once again, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.